Hello mga ka-Koys, thank you so much for tuning back sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's video, it's another tutorial kung saan po pwede po tayong kumita ng pera online. Yes, you heard it right. Po pwede po natin itong gawing part-time job while we are doing our main job and a side hustle kung gusto po natin kumita ng mga extra income. So first and foremost, this is not an application that needs to be downloaded sa ating mga cellphones. However, this is a website, a very legit website kung saan po pwede po tayong kumita ng dollars. Yes, dollars po ang kikitain natin dito. This work is, or this job, we call it transcription job. Ano po ba yung ginagawa ng trabahong ito? So let's go to Google. Transcribing entails listening to recorded audio or video and typing what you hear word for word. So, ibig pong sabihin, itatype po natin word for word yung mga naririnig nating audio coming from the audio file na ibibigay sa atin ng company. So, yun po yung trabaho ng transcriber. So, alright, so without further ado mga ka-Koys, let's go to our main topic for this tutorial. So, ang pinag-uusapan po nating website ay walang iba kundi si Scribey. Yes, si Scribey po ang legit na website na magbabayad sa atin ng dollars pagka nagawa po natin yung pinapatrabaho sa atin na isang audio file. So, right now, let's try to take a look kung sino nga po ba si Scribey, ano po yung mga overview sa kanya. So, si Scribey po is a home-based job. So, ito pa lang ay swak na sa atin. It's a work at your own convenience job. So, ibig sabihin, hawak po natin yung oras natin. It pays us $5 to $25 per audio hour rate. So, that's USD. $5 to $25 if we will convert that one. So, $5, that is around $250 per audio hour pay. Okay? Short files only, 10 minutes or less. So, hindi po lalagpas ng 10 minutes yung audio file na ibibigay nila sa atin. So, 2 hours stat for each file. So, turnaround time, they give us 2 hours for each file received, and free automated transcript to save around 60% of typing effort. So, ibig sabihin po nito, pagka-receive po natin ng audio file, meron na po siyang automated transcript. So, ibig sabihin, meron na pong na-transcript or na-transcribe doon, at yun na lang po yung i-edit natin. I-correct lang po natin yung mga grammars, spacing, punctuation marks, spelling, and kung ano-ano pa na need na i-correct. So, get rewarded for your good performance, become a reviewer, proofreader, and etc. Monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed. So, halimbawa, no obligations, no monthly commitments, or withdrawal limits. So, magkano, kahit magkano po, ay po pwede po nating i-withdraw. We don't assign files. So, hindi nila i-assign yung files sa atin. We have to get it to preview and choose the files to work on. So, hindi po sila yung magdi-designate ng files para po trabahuin natin, kundi tayo po yung mamimili ng files para trabahuin natin. So, maganda. So, si Scribey offers a great opportunity to augment your income by transcribing audio files for us. So, si Scribey daw po is nagbibigay po ng magandang oportunidad para po mapataas yung income natin by transcribing audio files na ibibigay nila sa atin. So, the work involves listening to the audio files and typing it as accurately as possible. So, ang work daw is maglilisten po tayo ng audio files at itatype lang po natin as correctly as possible. So, requirements needed, of course, first, good comprehension of English. So, kailangan po, hindi lang tayo marunong magta-type dito, kundi marunong din po tayong umintindi ng English na lingwahe para po hindi po tayo mahirapan sa ating trabaho. Pangalawa, ability to interpret conversations, ability to apply context and identify mistakes, a verified PayPal account linked to a bank account or credit card. So, hindi po basta-basta PayPal account lang, kundi yung verified po na merong nakalink na bank account or a credit card. So we also need to have a laptop or desktop computer, and of course an internet connection. This one, we also need to have a headphones or a headset, and also on our browsers we need to have the latest version of Firefox, Chrome, or Safari web browsers. So of course, I will add to this one, we need to have an active listening skills dahil nga po meron tayong papakinggan na audio at yun po yung i-type natin word for word. So if you wanted to know more about Scribie, you just can scroll down on this page after you created your account. So certification process consists of several steps. A summary is provided below. So first, we have to sign up, confirm email, set up PayPal account, submit test file, and then you have to be certified in order for us to start this job. So now I will let you see how to create an account on this website. So we have to go to our main page, scribie.com. So no worries, I will just put the link on the description box below. Nang sa ganun ay i-click nyo na lang po iyon at maroute po kayo sa mismong page na yun. And then once you are on this page, we have to scroll down all the way almost to the bottom. And as what you can see right here, join Scribie as a transcriber. Step 1, 2, 3, and then click on get started. So right here, freelance transcription, work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. We provide automated transcript to save you around 60% of typing effort. Get started. And then we will be routed on the next page wherein we have to fill out the informations needed right here. We need to fill out first name, last name, our email address, phone number is optional. We have to create our own password, and then we have to confirm our password, and then right here we have to click transcriber. I am not a robot, I agree, and then sign up. So after you sign up, you will be routed right on this page, okay? And then there will be a pop-up message right here na you need to verify your account via email. So all you need to do is to go to the email and then just click on the link to verify your account, and then you will be routed back in here. And if you don't have set up the PayPal account, you have to set up this PayPal account information. Just click this login with PayPal. Alright, and then before you submitted your step 3, there were some practice. If you really need to have if you really wanted to be qualified for this one, you can try to click on practice, and then there will be an audio files right here, and then select. Let's try. Click nyo lang po ito at magpi-play po yung recordings dyan. At whatever you hear, you have to just write it here, transcribe it here. So once you are done, you have to click on submit, and then you will be receiving an email if yung natrabaho ninyo dito sa practice is good to go na nga ba. I think that's it for now. Thank you so much for listening and watching this tutorial. I hope na nakatulong ito sa inyo, lalong-lalo na doon sa mga estudyante na gustong kumita ng extra income pang baon. I hope na meron po kayong natutunan dito, and I wish you and I pray that you will be qualified if you really wanted to have this job. Thank you so much mga ka-Koys for tuning and watching this tutorial. Hope you learn and hope you earn sooner. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.